What's up, y'all? Today we're going to be working on a 2002 Honda Accord LX 2.3 liter motor, 4-cylinder. It's a 2-door coupe. And the project today is we are going to be changing out the fan switch. So for the fan switch, is gonna lie where the thermostat housing is, and it's gonna be right there. So on the passenger side, on the thermostat housing, first thing you want to do is disconnect from the sensor. And then we're going to get a socket wrench and we're going to remove that sensor, fan sensor. So for that fan sensor, it's going to be a 24 millimeter socket. We're going to place that on top like so. You're probably going to need an extension and a socket wrench, and then you're going to break it loose. Once you break it loose, you can actually just turn it by hand. You might have to push the hose back, that way you can turn it. And that is what the part looks like. And then let's go ahead and get the replacement part. So here's the replacement part, and that's the part number TU197VC. Okay, and you can purchase this at Autozone. And inside the package, you will get the sensor and an O-ring, and the O-ring needs to go where the thread is, at the end of the thread, because it needs to seal it. Okay, and here's a comparison from the two and the connection. Alright, so let's go ahead and put that in. We're going to place it on top. Go ahead and turn it by hand. Make sure we don't strip or cross thread. Once you get it in there, go ahead and get your socket, 24 millimeter, and tighten up. You don't have to tighten too tight, just snug. Okay, this is aluminum, so you can crack it and ruin it. So just a little snug is fine. Alright, once we get that in, we'll go ahead and get the plug here and go ahead and connect it. And that's how you replace the fan sensor that's on the thermostat housing. If this video has been helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Perfect.